Hello everyone. Here we need to write a code for message rate limiter. The problem statement is in a chat app, a user can send at most 5 messages per 10 seconds. Block the message beyond that. If the message is greater than 5, we need to block those message. And the approach they have given, track timestamps of messages and remove old ones, uh, and pause the video and try to find a solution for it. At the end of the video, I will share the solution. Rate limiter is the class, and in the construction, we are having two arguments, limit and interval, and we are initializing three arguments. First one is the limit. Uh, it is the maximum message limit, and the interval is the time interval, and third one is the array to track messages timestamps, and it gets the current time. It removes the timestamp older than the allowed time window. It checks how many messages remaining in the timestamp. It checks how many messages remain in that window. If the count is below the limit, it allows the messages and records the timestamp. Otherwise, it blocks the message. Here, can send is the method returns true if the sending is allowed, and returns false if the rate limit is exceeded. Thank you.